Comedy Queens 2020 online auditions.
They're beautiful, they're amazing. Ushaona kapaka kakijilamba. Somebody, it's the t-shirt.
Hata sijaelewa.
Sanitizer and then what?
Sinaga kihara. I have a forehead.
Hapana, ni wacha watege. Pole.
Lipstick.
Do you see this confusion?
Yeah.
Sasa unataka kunifanya mimi fara?
Very nice. This is the future. Anyone can get it. You can get it.
I can get it.
I can get it.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to yet another episode of Comedy Queens Rockdown Auditions. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. So last week kulienda vile kumeenda, alafu hii wiki pia tutaenda vile kumeenda because that's how we do it. Remember, I asked you guys to send me 1 minute video to 2 minutes maximum. Nikasema msinitumie videos at that a minute, I will not be able to see other people. And then I asked you guys, where is the joke? Where is the joke? No. Unoge, and then you correct, where is the joke? We need to see some jokes, guys. We need to see content. And of course, today I'm joined by the ever handsome, good-looking Strippy David. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's him. So, I cannot depend that. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
Fresh as
thank
ever.
You. I'm dressed by Against Our Odds.
Against Our Odds.
Just in case you're asking.
And then umemachisha lipstick na nguo. Yani,
yeah.
I'm telling you.
The purple lipstick and material.
Mbona tungeka ya orange? Half ya juu ikwe, as in just to make it colorful. Juu ikwe purple.
Oh, okay,
chini
so I have a question for you.
Yeah.
Guo ni sanani?
Against all.
Okay. Okay, I didn't see that. Okay,
but you look fantastic. That is the point.
Yeah.
I just wanted to know, as in, your lipstick color, nini.
I guess it's
you look
fashion,
like a rainbow.
It's crass. You would not understand.
You look like a rainbow.
Where's the understand?
But then me, I'm a fashion guy.
Yeah.
Ufai kuvana hiyo dongi red.
Nafaa kuvana nini? Juzi tu mnaanza kuvaa vizuri juzi, sasa unaanza kutumia vitu kama.
Anyway guys, thank you so much for coming to I'm trying to be like you.
To be like me.
Your energy, like, yeah, thank you guys.
Yeah. So thank you so much, Strippy.
I love the hair.
And yourself? Last week ulikuwa mtu wa insurance.
It's a polka dot edition.
Hata hii wiki bado hujabadilisha.
Bado unajua polka dot nini?
Like mtu wa insurance.
Yeah.
We have a very big announcement this week, and the person who will emerge the favorite of Kenyans.
Drum rolls. Aki surprise me. Aki square 5.
We are going to give them 100,000 Kenya shillings. How is that?
100 cash money.
It will be cash money.
Girigere. Na mimi nitasindikiza na makofi ya kilo.
So that's the biggest announcement, guys. So we'll continue.
I might just get touched, by the way.
But it's
you don't know. You know this is me.
I tell you, I'm the goat. I'm the OG.
You know, I might take this to. I can add some bill alafu ikaemba. Ungeni consult.
So guys, 100,000.
That's fantastic.
Yes.
That's fantastic. 100K, man. It's a good place to start as an artist.
Yeah.
It's a good place to start.
The reason why we decided we want to appreciate one of the people who will emerge the funniest, the best in Kenyan's rap is because I think it's very important to have a start in life. Upatiwe ka kitu kakukusukuma uendeleshe. Maybe you do a couple of clips and
ununue jokes.
Whatever, you know. Okay, I'm very excited, guys, to announce this. This year, Comedy Queens will be drama. That's drama. I mean, 100,000 Kenya shillings. It will be our honor to give it to you as a comedy queen. And of course, to make you a bit motivated, but it is not going to come easy. You're gonna put in a little bit of work, and that's why we say there's going to be Tisha Wajiko boot camp.
Wait.
Yes.
Nani anaamua vile watu wanapata? Is it us, right? Guys, if you're a comedy queen, you're out there na umeshachukuliwa. My DM is there. Kuja tuongee. How are you manipulating the numbers?
Yes, so...
On a serious note, how do we decide the winner?
The Kenyans, you people who are watching them, you're the ones who are going to decide who deserves this money. And don't forget, we also have an 11-year-old. So it's going to be quite a tough packed.
I
It's
just
gonna be
got
tough. The
excited.
competition is high. I feel like the competition is high.
It just got exciting.
Exciting
now.
and better and better.
Now,
And of course, I want to thank Nusu Nusu Productions for these amazing productions and for supporting us. And I always tell people, ukiona mtu amekushika mkono, kaede.
mshike hiyo ingine.
Mshike hiyo ingine mutembee pamoja. Yes, and so today, I'm hoping I'm gonna get my girls.
Last week tulipata kamoja 100,000 ne.
100,000 yeah.
Na tukasema atume ingine. Alituma?
I think she did. With public demand, we insisted that she sent us another video, and she did. Let's watch.
We have the music festivals. And with me here, I have a wrist. My cross. The cross with Terrence. Ile cross ambayo music festival tutawezana. Soroba tutawezana. 45 students. Can you imagine? That is like more than half the students. And you want to go outside the gates. Kwanza there is this funny character here. Moses. Moses, how are you? You're fine? So Moses, I can see your name here. Moses. So what are you going to present? What? Asorobas. In front of you is Moses. Welcome. Keep trying and relax. Are you keeping same in your studies? Moses, you're getting zealous. You want to go and relax with zealous. Can you stop being silly and remove your books? Julius. You know, I love this boy. Julius. The teacher on duty told me that where were you going to? A Form 1 class. To do what? Yes? Exactly. To bolo a water bottle. Julius, did you get a C+? No. Julius, can you remove your books and start reading? Can you even return the water bottle? And everyone else that borrowed water bottles. And you know that you never got a C+. Let us not to say wakati. If you know that you never got a C+ and above, please, can you start removing your names here? Remove your books, start reading, and return the water bottles to the owners. There's another one here, Clarice. So the money that you want to tell your mother to send you was for going to this function. Clarice, I can say that in the folk song. You want to shake your waist. Shake it with a zero. Can you stop me being funny? Don't be funny in my class. Remove your books and return the water bottles. You won't be needing them. The last, if you know that you had a Cyprus, to put in a bus. Okay?
Oh,
Comedy tunayo hatunayo. Karisi, for Kisongi tunayo hatunayo.
You want to go and shake your waist with a silo. Can you stand it?
I think we should get her a name. Should be teach her something.
Teach her something.
Yeah.
Or
teach her on duty.
This is a different type of comedy.
This is some good vibes.
Fresh, and I like it. Oh, we love you. Let us watch the next video.
Marafiki wako wengine wagedia negotiators company. Ni rafiki yako anasikia umefungua biashara. Anasema nitakuja kukupromote. Anakuja, anaingia, anaanza kunegotiate bei. Anaipeleka chini kabisa. Unamuuzia na buying price. Shida yenu inakuanga nini? Ama then tulikujanga Nairobi kuangalia statue ya Kimathi. Tukilianga. Oh my gosh. Hivi alitupigania uhuru. Tikivia yikoma.
Kumeharibika tu mara moja.
It has goathoka ohamwe fwa.
It has dokanad ororemwe.
Ororemwe fwa.
Is there like jigiria goma?
Oh, she has a cute face. Sweetheart, you're beautiful.
She has a very cute face. Yeah, I don't know. I think I would want to hear more.
More of her, right?
Yeah, more of her. I like that. I wish the video was a bit longer, like a minute and a half. But I think I can. I want to see you again.
I think ako tu sawa. Amesema Wakenya waache kubageni.
Yes, I want to see you again. And guys, please remember, we are almost wrapping up with Comedy Queens online editions. We are wrapping up. So we have one more episode to go, so continue sending those videos because pia sitaki ukose hii 100,000.
Tanzania.
Sitaki ukose kukua 100,000. Keep sending, guys. It's going to be a tough one this year. And you Kenyans are going to help me give somebody that money.
I've already seen the winner.
You've seen the winner?
Unless I'm
you know, Tisha Wajiko bootcamp is not going to be a joke, guys. It's going to be serious. And also one of the things they are going to be running is how to be consistent, how to make yourself a brand name, and also how to carry yourself in public, and how to do research when it comes to content, how you worked in front of stage. Basically, we will be bringing the backstage to
what I
living rooms.
What I actually love about you walk the talk. People will say, yeah, one day I want to start growing other talents, and then it's just in the conversation and just talking. But you've rolled your sleeves and you're actually doing it. Fantastic.
Oh, thank you so much for those kind words.
Church committee, praise God. Kwa majina naitwa wa Esther, ama ukipenda ni Roserin, na mimi ndio nakuaga secretary wa hii kanisa. Kama mjuavyo tulisema kanisa yetu tutafungua next Sunday, na hapa niko na minister sababu lazima tuaddress vile kanisa itawapelekwa, juu mnajua ni injili versus 1 hour. So bila kupoteza wakati wowote nitaenda kwa minister. Kitu ya kwanza tulisema kanisa itakuwa inafunguliwa from saa 4 to saa 5. Hiyo watu hawakuwa na shida nayo. Namba 2 tukasema mambo ya praise and worship, hiyo zitakuwa zina alternate kila Sunday, hatutafanya zote. Kwa hivyo hii Sunday praise, ile ingine worship. Akasema hawa watu wanapenda kuongea na dini, watasikia wakiwa vulnerable, so tukasuggest kama ni kufanywa zote mbili, kuwe kuna tafutwa wimbo moja hapo inaweza ibwa kama praise na ibwa kama worship. What am I talking about? Hakuna Mungu kama wewe, hakuna Mungu kama wewe. Tatu inaweza kama praise, the last 3 stanzas zinaibwa kama worship. Now, prayer item tulisema itakuwa inafanywa moja kila Sunday. Hii ni kumaanisha waamini ukiambiwa uombe mambo ya familia, usishinde ukitaja mvua, barabara, Kenya Power, BBI, hiyo utangojea Sunday ya Kenya at 60. Number 4, mambo ya announcement tulisema hazitakuwa zinafanywa. Hii ni kwa sababu Panagri kanisa tunaachia vijana, na bwana youth coordinator hapa akaniambia kwamba watafungua WhatsApp group. So wakati wako hapo wanajadiliana, Mary anapenda kujiangusha kukiombo, anadhani soda zinapeanagwa kanisa na mkate, bas anatreadisha ile announcement pale. So kuna mambo ya Holy Communion tunagojea directive kutoka kwa provost. Although kulikuwa na suggestion kadhaa, kuna yule alikuwa amesema watu wakuwa wanajibebea, pastor akisema baraka kila mtu ana pop champagne, mwingine akasema watu wakuwa wanaingia wakichukua rotary numbers pale kwa mlango. Wakati wa Holy Communion pastor anasema 10 lucky numbers, lakini tukasema wacha hiyo itoke na provost, tutawa address as time goes by.
I have to stop her, and the reason why I've gotten the whole concept.
She's inside.
The whole concept of it, and
nimemchukua.
We had a conversation and I told her, I feel like the content is a bit wrong. I feel like you're preaching. I feel you're not getting to the point.
Come on.
And I was very honest. By the way, I told her that. And I told her, I think I want to see another clip. Then she sent me another clip, but she did it in Kikuyu. And I was like, no. And then I went back to this one.
She's fantastic.
I went back to this one. I was like, let me listen to it. Let me listen to it and hear what she's saying.
Yeah.
And I actually did. And I think I like her.
She's
Good
inside,
job.
baby. You're inside.
Good job.
Karibu.
This was
Welcome to the club. Welcome to the club.
These are going to be one of the finalists that.
She is amazing.
Yeah.
I love her.
And that the content is very good. Yeah.
Today, I actually thought
that
we're not gonna get anyone. This is quite a surprise.
Yay!
You're fantastic. You're fantastic.
Mary
You're fantastic.
Mary
I can't wait to watch more of you.
Yeah, more of you,
love.
Mary James. Mary, karibu kwa Comedy Queens
Guys, ama leo
2020.
niko kwa spirit ya kuchukua kila mtu. Guys.
Pengine ni Mary ametuhujeria hapo pengine.
Guys, am I in good? Ebu urusha kengine.
I know.
I just see maybe, I don't know.
Let us watch the next video.
Maybe this is my weakest day.
I don't know how to apply my own lipstick. Hey!
teaching me how to apply I bought this lipstick with my own money. Eh? Is it your face? Is it? Did you know? Stop talking, my dear. I will refuse to pay school fees for a whole year. Na hakuna penye utanipeleka. I gave birth to you. Disrespecting me because I'm 52 years old. Now who told you a 16-year-old will come and teach me how to apply lipstick? Did you know that your father chose me because of my makeup applying skills? Stupid. Nonsense. Disappear, utakula umena for supper, my dear. You will not come and tell me how to use my own.
It was not that day.
Oh my goodness.
Straight, I think she is, my dear, you are a great actress. For now, that's what I'll give it to you. Great actress. Acting, perfect.
Yeah, maybe acting we would try. But for stand-up and what we are looking for, I don't think it's like...
Actress, yeah.
Yeah.
So I think I saw the acting bit, but I didn't get the job.
But I would like to see you for next year, Comedy Queens 2021. I would love
actress.
that. Yes.
Actress.
Oh my goodness. Woof.
Or maybe she can act in a comedy series or something.
Let us watch the next video.
Sasa mimi nataka kuomba funguo za gari. Juu kesho ninaenda kanisa, niko na women guide. Nataka unisaidie funguo ili hata niziweke sasa kwa bag ili asubuhi nikiamka nikutoka. Unajua mimi mambo ya Mungu sitakaje kuchelewa. Natakaga mambo ya Mungu na kuwa hapo kila wakati. Nakuomba unisaidie sana, unisaidie hizo funguo tafadhali. Mama Brandon, hata hakuna haja ujidrive. Acha nitakupeleka kwa kanisa, nitakudrop hapo kwa church. Yani wewe ni bibi yangu, so nikudrop. Kwa hiyo juu ni bibi yako, umefika mahali.
This is what I said when you're sending these scripts. Please, tafadhali. Can you be audible? Can I hear what you're saying? Because now with this one, probably she's saying something good or funny.
Can you be volume? Can you be volume?
You unakuanga aje na wewe. I think guys, can I hear what you're saying? Can we hear what you're saying?
I don't know how to react to what I can't hear.
We didn't hear anything. I'm sorry. Yeah.
Next.
Let us watch the next video.
In Sweden, people recycle everything, but in Kenya, there's, people throw everything everywhere. Nilikuwa ninatembea kwa barabara the other day, nikaona kiumbo kimetupwa hapo kimekufa, kulikuwa na kimkono kia mtu hapo kimetupanishwa. So I decided to call the police. I was like, yes, yeah, is this the police station? Okay. I would like to report kuna kiumbo hapa kimetupwa kimekufa. Na kuna pia kimkono kia mtu. Okay, you want me to give you my opinion because I am now a witness. Okay, my opinion is that hii kimkono kilichapa slap umbwa mpaka umbwa ikakufa.
I think I smell confidence.
Yeah.
I smell a good storyteller. I will give her a chance.
You give her?
Maybe it was me. I just think that maybe, first of all, she said in Sweden, they recycle everything.
Yeah.
And how it got to the dog.
It's a bit.
And recycling the hand. What is being recycled here?
I didn't quite get that, but...
Ama the joke is recycled. She looks like she knows what she's doing in terms of setting up a joke, but it's just that it missed in this one. And sometimes not all the jokes fly. Sometimes you even crack jokes and you're like, it's funny to me and you guys are not getting it.
Yeah.
Maybe that's what's happening here. If she can send another clip we watch, probably this time round, set up, punchline, straight to the point, and don't confuse us.
What I would like to say about her, she started well, was hooked, and then you lost us. And it's true what Sleepy has said. Sometimes there are jokes that we can get instantly. Some are not working, but it doesn't mean that you are not funny. Maybe if we see you again, because I do feel the vibe of stand-up comedian. Honestly, since we started,
stand-up vibe.
Since we started these auditions, I haven't actually felt the aspect of stand-up. but this one gives me that. Yeah.
Please send something else. We check
Send
out
us
again.
something else.
So
I
see
think we're
what's
gonna
up.
give you another chance
Yeah.
and we'll see how you'll do it.
Unaweza nichezea ule wa kanisa tena? Alinichekesha.
Utashindia hapo kanisa.
Ni lipstick gani paka ukitoka nje watu wakashindwa huyu anafanya kwa M-Pesa gani?
Yani Srippy, this anyway, ni sawa tu, hivi ndio utaongelea designer lipstick.
Just some M-Pesa vibe.
This is a designer lipstick. Like unasikia unasema nini?
I say I'm not like unaweza vaa orange. Okay, it's wearing lipstick, right? Can you do orange?
From me and Srippy Davis.
Asanteni sana.
Ladies and gentlemen, that is it from me and Srippy Davis this week's Comedy Queens Auditions 2020. Continue sending those videos. Remember, there's 100,000 guys. I don't think you want to miss that.
cash, man.
100,000.
That's why I'm excited. 100,000 cash.
100,000.
Aki, one of the queens. Ukishinda, ujui utatumia pesa aje. You're looking for a manager.
The number is going Hapashini, and I want to thank our Nusu Productions for this great partnership and for believing in us. Asanteni sana. See you next week.
Hiyo lipstick ni mbaya. Mimi ndakwambia ukweli. I didn't like it.